Hey, so today we are checking the neighborhood at Siena Lakes, and that is a patio home, so it's that maintenance-free community, and these ones all have zero entry. Currently, there are no model homes at Siena, probably because this year everything needed to sell since there was such low inventory, but homes can still be built there. The prices range from $328,000 to $364,000. This does include the price of the lot. This community is located northwest Wichita, and it's great near some great amenities: Sedgwick County Zoo, New Market Square area. It's in the Maize School District, and they do have some walking paths, 3 ponds where you can fish in, and gazebos that you can enjoy along the walking trails. It's a low $133 a month HOA, and that of course includes lawn mowing, fertilization, snow removal, trash service, and exterior sprinklers. So, and this is an adult community, so let's check it out.
Okay, we've got here Siena Lakes in this video. I'm going to scroll out to kind of show you within Wichita where it is. So it's on the west side. See, just follow the red dot as we scroll out. And here it is. So you've got 96 right here, 235. Zoo is, where is the zoo? Zoo's over here. There we go. And let's scroll in. Oh, and then we'll scroll out a little bit. So definitely northwest side. And you got all of Wichita here. Let's scroll back up in there. And so it's basically by 37th and Ridge Road by the St. Catherine of Sierra Catholic Church. So anyways, we come in here on 37th Street and pull into here, and then we kind of wander around this area, and then you can see some of the lakes here. Let's scroll in a little bit more. But this is the community here. They're still building it out, still some homes available. So there you have it.
Hey, thanks as always for watching. I always appreciate it. Leave any questions in the description below. Give me a shout out, say hi, and reach out. All my contact information is in the description below as well, cell phone, website, text, but I'm here for any real estate questions in Wichita, Kansas, and all the surrounding areas. So until next video, have a great day.